Robotic Process Automation. What is RPA? Challenges, solution, benefits, drivers, and the robotic process automation life cycle. In this course, we will cover what is RPA, benefits, challenges and solution, drivers of RPA, automation cycle. What is robotic process automation? Robotic process automation is the technology that allows anyone today to configure computer software or a robot to emulate and integrate the actions of a human interacting within digital systems to execute a business process. RPA robots utilize the user interface to capture data and manipulate applications just like humans do. They interpret, trigger response, and communicate with other systems in order to perform on a vast variety of repetitive tasks. Only substantially better, a RPA software robot never sleeps and makes zero mistakes. Benefits of RPA. Cost effective. It has been estimated that using robotics cuts operational costs by as much as 25 to 50%. Robots can operate 24/7 and take no vacation when compared to humans who work 8 to 5 hours and have a prefixed number of annual leaves each year. Having robots take over some of the manually intensive work from humans could result in visible gains for the business. Automation can help you recover the cost within a short time span, and from then on, it is all only about gains. Accuracy and quality. RPA offers improved services to processes that have higher probability of human error, thereby increasing accuracy. Robots are reliable and consistent and do not whine when expected to work tirelessly. They also reduce the cases of reworks and improve the output quality drastically. The best part here is that robots follow all the rules to the dot, thereby producing 100% accuracy in the process results. And let's not forget what adds more sweetness to this deal: the fast implementation of this technology. RPA optimizes capabilities that multiply the organization's capacity. Consistency. Robotics is a safe, non-invasive technology that doesn't interfere with the inherent systems and provides perfect consistency in performing the activities across the board, each time and every time. Improved analytics. Having access to error-free, accurate data from various sources would improve the quality of analytics in the process. This leads to better decision making and overall to the betterment of the process execution. Faster. As bots are handling the execution here, a large amount of work can be done in a relatively much shorter period. A faster delivery coupled with accuracy becomes the norm with automation. Challenges of RPA. RPA is usually a short-term or an interim solution. Sure, it can provide an immediate relief and benefit, but in the long term, it requires complex omni-channel platforms and frequent workflow reviews and optimization. Current RPA tools available in the market have no or limited machine learning capability. We are still quite far away from the moment when automation will truly be cognitive. The scope for automation will increase exponentially with AI and machine capability getting integrated with RPA tools, but we are not there yet. Ownership. This means who owns RPA solutions. Is it led by the IT or business teams? Business needs to provide the requirements, approve the solution design for feasibility, help in UAT, and then measure the success rate. IT teams has a limited role and primarily restricted to providing support in infrastructure requirements and test data creation. Business doesn't necessarily have skills to provide the detailed level technical requirement at the time of BRD or define the test scenarios as needed by the QA teams. The need for good business analysts is paramount. However, there are limited talent available in the market who has exposure to RPA design and solution and understands potential value. Limited application. This may involve handwritten documents. Partial automation based on cost and benefit analysis can be considered if full end-to-end automation is not available or reachable within reasonable time scale. Change management. Business and IT teams need to collaborate and proactively provide system and business updates to RPA support teams to update scripts once they are in the production. It may create additional challenges if multiple applications are used in the process. Any change in the front-end UI will impact the RPA script, hence the outcome. Employee resistance and onboarding. This is one of the biggest challenges and pertains to all companies due to a simple fact. People fear change by nature. Any changes that accompany implementation of a new technology can be stressful for employees as they might experience shifts in their responsibilities. Drivers. Time is money, and businesses have realized that they need support from attended or unattended robots in their day-to-day activities. Some of the most important reasons for robotic process automations are need for growth. We need to increase productivity and reduce costs. Higher customer expectations. There is more data which needs to be processed quickly. Cost effective thinking. We should only pay for the outcome. Job satisfaction has become important. Nobody likes monotony jobs. Improving productivity by more efficient software robots. We can insource processes and use robots to do more work in less time. The automation lifecycle can be defined in 6 stages: identify, analysis, design, develop, test, and implement. Stage 1: Identification. RPA strategists and architects identify a business process with business teams for RPA development. The development follows an agile and customized methodology. Stage 2: Discovery or analysis. A process architect analyzes and identifies the requirements of the client's processes. The degree of automation is decided on the analysis and the complexity of the process. The benefits or outcomes of automation are thus highlighted automatically. Stage 3: Design. On the basis of requirement analysis, process and technical architects create a PDD, process definition document, which describes the information of each step in every process. The next step is to create an object model diagram or a flowchart to understand the flow of the process. Once the flowchart is ready, the RPA tool to automate the process is selected. Stage 4: Development. In the development process or phase, automation scripts and codes are created by developers with the help of selected RPA tools such as UiPath, Blue Prism, etc., and technologies along with the reference of PDD. Stage 5: Testing. Post-development phase testing is conducted by the testing team, which includes QA like normal SDLC flow. The best practice is to have a dedicated testing team to perform the QA. The bot is tested in the pre-production environment to ensure that it is performing as per the requirement, which is to automate a specific task. Stage 6: Implementation. Once all the components are built, unit testing should be conducted. All the components are tested to smoothen the integration. If there are any issues upon diagnosis, then the bot goes back to the development and testing teams for the resolution. The recommended UiPath architecture includes dev and test environments that allow the processes to be tested outside the live production systems. Key takeaways. Robotic process automation is a technology that allows anyone today to configure computer software or a robot to emulate and integrate the actions of a human interacting with digital systems. Benefits of RPA are its cost-effective, quality and assurance, consistency, improved analytics, and faster span out of time. Challenges of implementing RPA is not a matured market. It is an interim solution at this point. Limited application, change management, and employee fear are some of the most common pain points. Important reasons for robotics process automation are need for growth, improved productivity, higher customer satisfaction, cost effectiveness, and job satisfaction. RPA automation lifecycle consists of 6 phases: identification, discovery, design, development, testing, and implementation. Thank you. CloudLearn Incorporated is headquartered in Silicon Valley, California. Our mission is to help enterprises provide an engaging and impactful learning experience that improves business performance. We provide the industry's most modern LMS learning management system. For more information, visit us at www.cloudlearn.com or reach out to us at info@cloudlearn.com.